Okay, guys, so today on the road food review, we are at Overdose Chicken. I've heard about them on the radio. I've seen them online. I've always wanted to stop by here, but I usually have customers driving around, so I got a chance to stop by today. So it's a really cool place. The vibes are really cool. There's a huge, really cool mural on the side of the building I never saw from the road. When I went in, there's really cool artwork around. Bathrooms have got one of the doors just says blah 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 blah. Sounded like the Alex Lifeson speech at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So yeah, it's really cool stuff all around. Staff's real friendly, and I just I really like my Popeyes chicken sandwich. I'm not gonna lie. But I tried the chicken sandwich, so here it is. And that's a good sized chicken sandwich. And I'm gonna take a bite out of this end right here. That's a damn good chicken sandwich. Highly recommend, highly. And it also comes with fries. I don't know what this sauce is. We'll see what this is. Fries look nice and crispy. You guys know I like a crispy fry. And I think this is sour cream. It is sour cream. Well, that's just unique. Fries are really crispy. And really tasty. So, man, that is a damn good chicken sandwich. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Digging for something here. You know what I'm digging for. I'm gonna give Overdose Chicken the Rockstar Chicken Award. There you go. See you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little button thing down here. And tell them Gee sent you.